Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the new arrival to my home. It is Twinings Detox Tea. It says it has sweet fennel, lemongrass and verbena. These are the main ingredients. It is naturally caffeine free. Let's see what are the other ingredients. Where is it? Here it is. It also contains lemon peel, burdock root, spearmint, ginger root, rooibos, lemon flavoring, lemongrass flavoring and basil flavoring. It has 18 flavored herbal infusions. I mean 18 bags. Here is the brewing instruction. See, we need to take 100 degrees Celsius hot boiling water and 1 cup of water is needed for one infusion. And we need to brew it for 2 to 5 minutes. That's it. You enjoy this infusion without milk. Now I'm going to open it and I'm going to brew this infusion, and also I'm going to taste this. Come on. I have 1 cup of hot boiling water here. I'm going to take one of these bags and I'm going to open this. I'm just smelling it. Wow, the sweet fennel smell is very dominant and lemongrass is also there and it gives pleasant flavor. Wow. Yes, I'm just dipping it in the hot water. Remember, the water should be very hot. I'm just putting it for 2 to 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for the infusion to brew. Yes, 3 minutes is done. And I'm just dipping it. 5 minutes is done. And I'm going to taste it now. Tasting time. Wow. It smells so good. The flavor is very nice. It has sweet fennel and lemongrass, and those flavors are so dominant and it's too good. I'm going to have another sip. Actually, I had 4 to 5 sips. It's really too good. I feel so refreshed. It restores my day. It's really a fantastic, refreshing blend. I discovered new beginnings. Really, this detox tea is very good. I hope this video is useful for you to buy good products. Please like and share my video. Please also share your comments after tasting this. Please subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.